Right, here we go then with another one. Should be a good one. It's a really nice day today. So we're on Sugar Loaf. Let's give it a go. Yep, so Sugar Loaf in the Brecon Beacons. Absolutely lovely place this is. And it's 1,955 feet. So 45 foot short of being a proper mountain. What a day, man. Beautiful. So Sugar Loaf was gifted to the National Trust by someone called Lady Rhonda, who was a suffragette and a feminist born in the 1800s. We're on an 8-mile circular today, and we don't hit Sugar Loaf summit till about around the 6-mile mark. Time check, 3 miles. So that one there, that's like a peak in a peak, isn't it? So it's part of the Black Mountains range, this is Sugar Loaf, and its parent peak is called Wan Fac. I'm guessing that's the summit of Sugar Loaf. So let's push on. Also known as a Marilyn, Sugar Loaf is one of the many Marilyns in the UK, which means it's got a prominence of 492 feet. Getting there. Really reminds me of Corndon Hill, this real steep kind of grassy ascent on Corndon Hill. So as you can see, full summit. There's Sugar Loaf in the distance there. Getting there. It's hard to believe this isn't even a mountain. It's 45 foot short of being a mountain, this. So nearly 2,000 feet. It's a real steep ascent. So it's known as Sugar Loaf because that's what it resembles, a sugar loaf. It was previously known as Penny Fell, which means top of the peak. And Sugar Loaf, there's quite a few mountains all over the world called Sugar Loaf. Right, let's get ascending again. Whew, steep this. Fantastic.
Just zoom in and out. I always find it's the best to do. That'd be very kind. We're trying to get the
There you go, that's the summit of Sugar Loaf. One of my new favourites. Brilliant. Peace. Penny fans in the far distance there. Just about to see popping out right in the middle of the screen. That's penny fan. Oh, let's get descending then. So the old geology facts of the day then. Known as sedimentary rocks, formed in a Devonian period roughly 400 million years ago. And sedimentary rocks are actually formed from old red sandstone, and that's true for a lot of the mountains in the Black Mountains range. Looks good, doesn't it, looking back? Yeah, cracking little peak that is, really like that. Sugar Loaf. Reminds me of being at my nan's, God bless her. And Sugar Loaf, Nanny Pricket. Nan and Grandad, eh? God bless them. So you can just about see Penny Fan there in the middle. Highest point in South Wales and the Brecon Beacons, that is. Penny Fan. Cracking. Really is a cracker, isn't it, Sugar Loaf? Fantastic, the Brecon Beacons. Really is a lovely place. So it's also an SSSI and an SAC, so special site of scientific interest, and a special area of conservation. Feet ache a bit. You got 8¼ mile, 1,810 feet elevation gain. That's me wrapped up with another one, guys. That was a Sugar Loaf. So see you on the next one. Peace. Old Stevie grit. Same old shit.